Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the workshop. So today I want to take and hit you with another pro tip. So this right here, I want to talk about the coal forge for a second. And my pro tip is do not let your fires get out of control. Fire maintenance is one of the biggest key elements in blacksmithing. If you're working with a fossil fuel like coal is, you need to take and maintenance the fire. The fire will burn out. It's not everlasting. It does not just continue to run. If you can see a hollow chamber in your fire pot, you are burning hollow. That is not only bad for the fire pot itself, but it is bad for your ironwork because it will cause your steel to over-oxidize. So, you need to take and have a good amount of coke deep in that hearth and a good amount of it. When you bring material in, you only put it in at a horizontal direction. You don't dig it down into the bottom of the fire. Once again, getting into the airstream of the fire. So fire maintenance here is key. Fire maintenance is key. But one of the biggest reasons why I'm talking about this today is if you look at this fire here, this is a fairly well-maintained, properly maintained fire. Now, we've got some crosswind coming through the shop today because I've got both doors at both ends of the shop open. And so that's blowing some of my fire out this way. And if you can notice, I'm staying away from it. That's the ideal there. But this is a properly maintained fire. Do not be afraid of bringing out a coal swab. I've got a video, I'll leave a link to it here. Or bringing out a dipper can. Grab it out of the water jug here. Using a dipper can to control the edges of your fire. This way you can control where the fire is actually burning and where it is not. This is key. If you put some water around the edges of your fire, never in the center, you can keep most of that heat right in the core of the fire without getting such a big bonfire and a blaze that's burning you up in really high heat. Here in Ohio, we've had some 95-degree days. In fact, it's 95 right now. It's probably a good 130 degrees right now, right by this fire. The last thing I need is for it to be 160 or 180 degrees right by this fire and end up stroking out because of heat stroke. So, control and maintenance your fires. When you see that it is broken down to a point where there's no more coke in the center, you need to take and break some of the edges up and get them fed into the center. Water those edges again, bring new green coal up next beside it, and control that fire. So that's my pro tip for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a big fat like. If you didn't, there's that big fat down arrow. Either way, it helps the channel grow, and I greatly appreciate it. And let me know what you struggle with that might be in a next pro tip here on the channel. And just drop that in the comment section down below, and we'll see what we can do. So thank you all for watching, and as always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.